Hey, I'm Fish. Today we're going to be testing out the actual Mic Pro and Mic Air. And we're going to see if we have a audio off. I see the actual gain bar, and each video I'm going to say, take one audio gain bar visible, and what I'm doing, video mode, pure video. Now let's get going. Let's do the first one and see what it sounds like. Take one, visual audio gain bar, pure video mode. Hey, I'm Fish. I gotta say something, right? So what we're gonna do is switch on over to Freeframe 2.0, and that'll be the third video, and see if the audio gain went dropped. Handheld, you're gonna hear me. On the stick out there, you may not. Take three, the mic facing up, omnidirectional. Definitely see the gain bar, and I definitely see the gain bar on the camera. Do I drop in sound? Because out far like so, you may not hear me. And the next one, we're gonna have to, switch on over to another mode, or do another shot exactly like this. Take four. Again, I start with a gain bar. I still see the gain bar, and I started with the mic. Test 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just gonna lose it if I go back to the house and hear that sound low. Does it mean that the way I face the camera, the audio would drop down? Could the Mic Pro be defective? If it works on a Luna, could you be defective? Well, I guess my return home, I'm gonna have to do the Mic Air all over again. Take 5, I still see the gain bar. I haven't lost the gain bar at all, but I'm on video mode. And I'm talking nice and loud, and my hand is stretched out. Hopefully, I should be heard nice and loud to the Mic Pro. If I have issues with the Mic Pro, then why not with the Luna? I don't know. I'm just a fish. Test 6, I see the gain bar, but I didn't go on my face. I have to double tap each time. Let me get on my face. Double tap. There I am. I did that the last time, and I was shooting all over the place. And yeah, definitely on the gain bar. I'm watching that gain bar. Hopefully I'll be heard. Now, I did this shot before, and I wasn't in it. I'm not even sure if it made me disappear. It makes me look bad when I am the one that don't have the problem, and it's X6 or Mic Pro. Now, test 7, gain bar, still see it. I got off the bike and I got no interference whatsoever on me. I could sit here, listen to all 7 videos, and maybe I should. And I think I am going to now switch on over to the Mic Air. I'm on the Mic Air, and I'm going to repeat the same exact tests, but I'm not going to be in movement. I'm going to go to pure video, Instaframe. I'm just going to randomly go back and forth. And the thing I don't like about this camera is, I went to playback and I listened to one video, stopped it, and I'm trying to swipe to the next videos. Impossible for me. Hard to do. Test 1. I use the mic remote, the Mic Air. I see the gain bar. And yeah, I am with Freeframe 2.0. And I don't think it makes a difference how long I do it. Maybe there was a setting in the camera that no one told me about. Seems to be top secret out there with people. Oh, fish. Test 3. Gain bar. Moving. See it. Hopefully I sound good. And the only way I could do this now is, fish, you're going to have to do these tests all over. Holding it close up, you're going to hear yourself. So let's go to the bike and let's now just lower you down. Oh man, this stick is a little bit broken. And set you up and get you going. Here we go. Put you on here and go through random tests now. Let's do test 4. Test 4. I see the gain bar. You can hear me nice and close, but the trick is I'm going to talk right here. Grab the mic. Test 1, 2, 3, 4. We shut you off. Test 5. I see the gain bar. Remote start. Don't matter if I press the button. Well, let's go press the button. And I see the gain bar. Test 6. Whatever test number I'm on, I'm just shooting a test video. And yeah, here we go. Here we go. You know what we're going to do? We're going to do this all over again. Make another video. I see the gain bar. Let's do one of these. Let's turn the mic down this way. It's impossible for my mic to face down like this when I got a pendant like this. And it sticks on here like so. Rock solid. Omnidirectional to pick me all around. Test 8. I see the gain bar. Mic Pro. I switched off of the mic ear because I want to continue to do these tests. Oh man, only the fish has to figure out he did something wrong with the camera. Well, it's not a beautiful day. I think I spent enough time on this mic issue. If I do a 360 video, which I didn't do, I could do a 360. I think I'm going to switch off of you. And using a lot of battery power. Oh, mic gain bar. I know it's not me. Always seen the mic gain bar. It's there. So it's got to be that something in the X6 that, why hold on to it if it can't get audio correct? Maybe I got a defective one. Insta360 hasn't responded to me in a number of days. I gave them 3-4 emails of the problem. Maybe they're really trying hard. Maybe they doing something else. I'm not worried. Not worried at all. Oh man, the wind is kicking. Ooh, beautiful day, man. I got a shot I'm going to try to do. Test 1,500,403. I see a gain bar. Insta360 2.0. I got this test I want to do. I'm not going to see the gain bar if I walk away from the camera. And on this side, I don't see a screen. But I see a green light flashing, free frame 2.0. I want to take a dart and I want to throw it. And the dart's going to go like this. Then what I want to do is, you see the dart go like this. And then I want to do is, you see the dart go this way, but then every single shot won't be that perfect when the dart goes like this. And I have to try to get that scene in there for the reasons of, I want to show you how the dart flies I don't want to show it being in a perfect bullseye. But I think I'm going to practice on that. That's why I have to do it today. Well, I'm going to head back on the bicycle. I'm going to edit this video on a Lenovo Yoga Aurora 9i. Oh man, I go like this in front of the laptop, it sees me. I walk away, it closes its eyes. Well, time for me to get on my bicycle. Oh, wait a second, Fish. 38 inches away. How do I look to you? Do I look blurry? How do I look now? Do I look any different? I want to get my... I can't get it. There we go. I want to get my zoom all the way up there. And it's a little difficult to do. There I go. That's what I want. I just darken down a little. Do I look any, distorted, fixed focus lens? How close are we allowed to get with the 360 camera? Pretty close. If I talk in that natural voice, you should hear me. And that is a problem we're having with this camera and microphone. I don't want to go buy another mic. I tried another mic. And I'm going to go now ride with another mic. I'm going to shut this mic off. It is just a little bit tilted. And the other mic is just trying to get onto the magnet all the time. I got too many things hanging. Bling, bling. So let's shut this mic off. It's a long press. And audio should be picked up there. And watch the light. It comes on. Noise canceling. Now we're off noise canceling. And now we're on this microphone. But if I would have picked up the touch screen of the Luna Ultra, it won't pick up when the microphone is on. An external mic. Only and only when these are off, then it will pick up with the touch. Insta360 must correct that. I said a lot, did a lot, talked a lot, shared a lot. Time to finish up with the mic Air. Now I went into the settings and I set my camera up after factory reset to everything that I like. So, and this is with my game bar that I still see riding along in video mode. And I have to switch back over to FreeFrame 2.0 because that's when I notice when I'm randomly switching between pure video and free frame, I lose things. I see the mic gain. I did the twist to record, and I'm on the mic Air FreeFrame 2.0. And I still gotta go. Go, go, go! I still see the mic gain, and I am definitely out there with FreeFrame 2.0 and continuing on with the mic Air. Whatever test number it is what it is, man. That's where I have my problem when it's away from me. The only thing I can do now is put it on video mode and stick it out there and see if you can hear me. And I did all that back at the Pair standing. Mic gain, mic Air, I see the bars, man. My dB levels of all the videos were at 0. Maybe I sound normal now. Maybe I don't need to raise it up. Maybe that was a problem altogether, that the camera had to be factory reset. Maybe I should have done a horizon calibration, but that's only to the lens. I think this has a stitch calibration as well. So maybe they should have a camera calibration, make it a triple delight, if asked. Oh, I still see the mic gain bar, and I didn't do face forward. I don't think that's a problem at all. I just think it's a user-friendly issue. Not at all. I think it's a pet rock. Every pet rock is different. Well, I am Fish. I said a lot, did a lot, shared a lot, talked some. I gotta go meet up with Joe. Joe's been fixed. He's been sent away. He's back. And Joe will treat us well. And beeswax, man. Always good to have some beeswax around.